Alibaba's cloud computing arm just launched Animate Anyone 2. Animate Anyone 2 is an upgraded AI model that can transform a static image into a photorealistic video with lifelike characters nearly indistinguishable from human footage. In today's video, you'll learn about this tool's environmental representation, remarkable character replacement, and other perks that make it unique and potentially industry-disrupting. Besides walking you through its revolutionary features, I'll dissect the image animation model and compare its output quality and ease of use to competitors like OpenAI's Sora and TikTok's OmniHuman. Stay tuned to the end for my honest assessment of how this tool might transform entertainment, marketing, gaming, and social media in the coming years. In February 2023, we witnessed a turning point when OpenAI launched its text-to-video model, Sora. This release sparked fierce competition among Chinese big tech firms and startups to roll out their AI video generation models. By December, Sora became accessible to ChatGPT Plus and Pro users, making waves in the AI landscape. A few weeks ago, ByteDance unveiled its OmniHuman 1 multimodal model, which converts photos and audio snippets into lifelike videos. Now, with the release of Animate Anyone 2, it seems China is raising the stakes even higher. According to Alibaba's Large Language Model or LLM Research and Development Unit Tongyi Lab, Animate Anyone 2 creates high-quality character image animation by processing motion and environmental signals. These elements come from reference content, such as the user's source videos and images, to generate new clips. While traditional character animation models rely solely on motion signals, Animate Anyone 2 extracts environmental information from source videos. This method generates high-fidelity animated characters and keeps the original environment, facilitating seamless character-environment integration. Building upon the initial iteration of the model, unveiled in late 2023, Animate Anyone, which was designed to create character videos from static images, this new version showcases the remarkable advancements Chinese developers have made in generative AI. Despite facing US restrictions that limit access to advanced semiconductors and other technologies, these developers continue to push boundaries. So what are the key features that make Animate Anyone 2 so special? Animate Anyone 2 was built upon diffusion models, specifically leveraging a latent diffusion model, or LDM, backbone with a 3D UNet for temporal modeling. This innovative system can process various conditional inputs to create stunning animations and maintain a seamless coherence between character appearance and their environment. The workflow is quite intriguing as it starts with several inputs. I provide a reference character image, source video for motion signals, representations of the environment, and features that indicate how objects should interact. And what's the result? The tool synthesized a beautiful video sequence where the character moves within the environment naturally. It's interesting to see how all these elements come together to create animations that feel so natural. This technology opens up many possibilities for storytelling and interactive experiences, making the intersection of AI and animation exciting. A major feature of Animate Anyone 2 is its environmental representation and shape-agnostic masking. It creates an environment based on what's in the source video's region and excludes the original character. The model achieves this by masking out character regions, leaving the remaining spatial temporal information to use as conditional input. This method allows the model to learn from the context rather than getting hung up on exact shapes. As a result, it opens up new avenues for understanding and generating characters more flexibly. Another standout strategy it uses is the shape-agnostic mask strategy. Instead of strictly adhering to precise mask boundaries that could lead to hallucination or fabricating details, this model intentionally disrupts the relationship between the masked areas and the actual character outlines during training. This clever twist encourages the model to prioritize contextual relationships over rigid shape matching. It significantly enhances its ability to generalize when it encounters unseen character forms. It's a brilliant way to make the model more adaptable and robust. If you're enjoying the video so far, kindly like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on future updates. Besides, it encourages YouTube to show this video to others. Thanks a lot, and let's get back to the video. Now let me tell you about this tool's ability to maintain object interaction from the original video. It includes an object guider, a lightweight module designed to pull out features from the objects people interact with within a video. Think tools or furniture. The cool thing about it is that it captures dynamic interactions, like when someone is grasping a tool or sitting on a chair. This perk makes the whole experience much more immersive and realistic because it focuses on how we engage with the world around us. For spatial blending, the object features provided by the Object Guider are extracted into the diffusion process through multi-scale spatial attention. This method ensures that the character-object interactions, such as the subtle contact between a hand and an object, are seamlessly woven into the generated frames. It's all about creating a cohesive and lifelike representation of actions and interactions, making the final product feel alive. That brings us to Animate Anyone 2's pose modulation strategy. Talking about depth-wise pose modulation, I find it fascinating how the tool enhances motion signals, like skeletal poses, with depth information to capture spatial relationships between different body parts. This approach allows for handling a wide range of poses, whether someone's crouching or twisting, all while keeping everything temporally consistent. Plus, the temporal modeling aspect is equally impressive. The 3D UNet utilizes Conv 3D layers with a pose guider to ensure that transitions between frames are seamless and free from lingering effects from motion. It's a blend of technology and creativity that brings dynamic movements to life. Animate Anyone 2 also uses a pipeline for conditional generation. ReferenceNet is an exciting development that builds on the foundation laid by Animate Anyone. It ensures that the character's appearance remains consistent by integrating features from reference images. As the character moves through different scenes, their look stays true to what the users established, creating a seamless and immersive experience. On top of that, it has a cool feature called Multi-Condition Fusion. It encodes various aspects like environmental details separately, motion dynamics, and object characteristics before merging them into the diffusion process. The tool uses VAE encoders to capture the nuances of environments and object sequences, while pose-guided feature injection helps us incorporate motion signals effectively. This layered approach enhances the richness of the animation and allows for various storytelling techniques through movement and setting. Now let's compare Animate Anyone 2 with OpenAI's Sora. Although both models are AI-powered video generation tools, Animate Anyone 2 excels at replacing characters within existing video footage while maintaining the original environment. It allows users to swap faces or bodies within a scene. On the other hand, Sora excels at generating creative and artistic video content from text prompts, focusing on motion and expression. Essentially, Animate Anyone 2 is ideal for manipulating existing videos with character swaps, while Sora is better for creating entirely new animated scenes from scratch based on textual descriptions. What about TikTok's video generation model OmniHuman? OmniHuman creates highly realistic human videos focusing on lifelike facial expressions, body movements, lip syncing, and audio synchronization. The ByteDance team designed it to generate human-like videos from weak signal inputs with a strong emphasis on audio inputs. Compared to OmniHuman, Animate Anyone 2 has an enhanced ability to handle complex poses and movements. It integrates exact environmental representations and has a high object interaction fidelity for more realistic interactions. So, what are the major applications of Animate Anyone 2? I'm excited about how this technology may transform character animation in filmmaking. Animate Anyone 2 is poised to empower filmmakers to create lifelike and captivating animations using just one reference image and a video. It implies less time and money spent, making it a game changer for independent filmmakers with small budgets. Regarding virtual reality or VR, Animate Anyone 2 really steps up by animating characters that interact naturally with their virtual environments. This synergy creates realistic and captivating VR experiences, whether it's for training, simulations, or social interactions. The tool's seamless character integration boosts presence and realism, making the experience more engaging. I believe Animate Anyone 2 will take player immersion to a new level in gaming. It has the potential to bring characters to life with fluid, realistic movements that interact seamlessly with their environments. Whether it's animating NPCs or player avatars, this technology can make the gaming experience feel more engaging and believable. Virtual influencers and avatars are the order of the day on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Animate Anyone 2 enables us to create lifelike avatars that engage seamlessly with users. Imagine using these digital personas in social media, virtual meetings, or even as companions. It truly adds a new layer to how we connect and interact in the digital space. In addition, I've found this tool to be a game changer for content creation on social media. It's perfect for anyone who wants to make stunning animations or entertainment or marketing on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. I love how easily I can turn a static image into something dynamic that dances along with trending audio. It's a great way to grab attention in a crowded digital space. And there you have it, folks. The world of animation is evolving faster than ever, and Animate Anyone 2 is at the forefront, transforming our creative visions into stunning realities. Whether you're a gamer, educator, content creator, or someone who loves storytelling, this tool opens up a universe of possibilities. If you enjoyed this exploration into the future of animation, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more exciting content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below sharing what you think about this model. I'll catch you in the next video.